Hey guys, Sportshot here, and I found a super advanced Crunker hack. You can customize your settings that has Bhop, ESP, Aimbot, Wallhacks, and a few other things. So yeah, because you can customize your settings, you can really do whatever you want with it, hide it as much as you want. And it's made in a way so that it'll really be hard to patch for the devs. So let's get right into the video. Okay, as always, you have to download Tampermonkey. Go to the Chrome web store. If you watch my videos, you probably already know this procedure. Type in Tampermonkey, add to Chrome, add extension, and you got it. It'll bring you to this page, shows you a little bit about what it is. Okay, next step. I have a link to this in the description. All you have to do is click install the script. It'll install it to Tampermonkey. Nothing is being installed to your computer, so you can't get any viruses or anything from this. So the features of it has ESP, which are wall hacks, no recoil, auto aim, auto reload, auto Bhop, no ad, and change to first person or third person. Then here are some of the hotkeys. So yeah, then you should just be able to open up Crunker. If you see a little red notification here, it'll work, and then you'll see a little hack thing here. Here's all of your controls. Shooter, you can do always first person, always third person default. You can hide it for full lobbies. The auto aim range, this is so that it might only help you during close range, so that it would be a lot easier to hide here. It'll change crosshair size, auto aim, hip fire, manual, and then here's the auto mode, which I'm going to use for this. Bhop automatic. Turn on no recoil, auto reload. I'll make the crosshair just default. I'll put the auto aim range up to infinity, well, basically infinity. And then I'll use third person, because why not? Then I need to refresh. Just go to a new Crunker thing. Okay, and yeah, has my stats saved. As you can see, I'm in third person now. And it should just automatically do everything for me. Third person is way easier to use. Okay, I'm gonna press B to turn off my bunny hop stuff. Oh, it's a rip. I'm gonna use the AK now, because that's usually a lot easier to play with. So yeah, you can fully customize this. I've had a lot of people in my past video ask if there is one that I could fully customize or something like that. Well, here it is. It's very, very good, very useful. You can hide it as much as you want. You can enable certain settings, disable certain settings if you think they might look too suspicious. So that's about it. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification if you would like to get notified of the next hack. And that's about it.